What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I haven't been doing any videos since October, so firstly I apologise. Just had a lot going on in my life, but this year is the year we need to get the type R sorted, get it 100%, get it all dialed in. So I've got the parts for the fuel, you've already seen that. Just one of the things that I kind of want to tidy up before I start dealing with the fuel is the lazy start. I think it's due to me running two 100 amp wires, one for the earth, one for the power. I think it isn't enough, so I'm going to address that now. So I've obviously learned something. Maybe I should have done it the first time, but I didn't know. I'm just having a go at it like I guess a few other people are. But yeah, I've even upgraded the camera as well, so I've got a G7X. So I'm trying to look at the lens and then seeing the little screen above it, so apologise for that. But yeah, let's get stuck into it. So this is what I'm talking about. So I had one of the wires go into the power, and then another one go into the earth. Now I did that purely because one, I thought it was the right thing to do, and two, I kind of wanted to keep the terminals on just so that I could keep it like OEM, and if I wanted to go back to stock then I could. But the chance of this going stock is, well, it's not. So the plan is basically to take one of the wires directly to the fuse box and then get rid of this white wire and then keep this terminal on, if you can see it, along with the other wire. So what we'll have is two power wires, and then if I take you to the back, so in the back I've got a 300 amp wire. It's a lot thicker than it shows on camera, but basically I'm taking that to the body there and making that as short as I can, and then the two power wires go onto there, and as you can see, just charging her up. You can't even see it, tight. But anyway, so that's what I'm doing now, so that's the plan, so let's get cracking. So first of all, there's the 10mm here, so the earth, the little earth strap. If I can zoom out a little bit, or just pull out. So there's a 10mm bolt here, and then there's a 10mm down here, and then that will release that. I can then take all this tape off the terminal end there and just basically expose that. That can go onto there, and then where is the bit here? So then I'll basically pull that white wire off here. After about 10 minutes of fighting, we've finally got the earth terminal and earth leads, so they're off now. They can go bye-bye down there. So the wire that I had originally for the earth, that will be going onto this terminal here, and then this one then will go back onto there, and then the original, this white wire here, like I say, I'm just going to cut that off, and then that's both power feeds sorted, and then I can hook up the negative, and then hopefully we should be good to go. And here is the last wire that we need to cut out. So all we have now is one power wire going into there. Like I say, that will go onto there, and the original black wire that goes onto there, and I've just trimmed this plastic bit a little bit just so that the power wire can go onto there, and that is that. That's the front end all buttoned up there. So just done a quick check down there, tie wrapped a few things just to make sure that no wires touch or start rubbing, but looks all good. Just go to the back now. Excuse the mess. Hey, I'm trying to tidy all this up to make it look fairly decent. So earth there, and then your two power wires there. I think I might shorten them power cables as well, just to make it look a little bit more decent. But anyway, let's get them connected and see what happens. Right, she's all connected. We have power, got the lights on. Let's go and see what the beast can do. Ugh. Bit of a tight squeeze. Everything seems to be okay. Let's see. There we go. So it's a little bit better than it was. Well, happy with that. I don't know how well you're going to hear me, but she's all singing, all dancing, all ready. So the next step now is to get all the fuel bits on. So we've got fuel rail, fuel line, fuel pump. What else? We've got fuel regulator as well, just to basically turn the fuel up so we can turn the boost up a bit. But yeah, really happy. Started quicker than it did last time, so we kind of definitely fixed something there. But yeah, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed as well. So I appreciate you watching, guys. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Purple Lamborghini,